Let me know if y'all can hear this. I don't see any audio coming up. Sound okay, cool. All right, so that one, let's go ahead and just skip that then. And all right, guys. So I don't have my camera on today. It's just going to be kind of a relaxing kind of day. Been running around a little bit right before the stream. So let me know if you can hear me. And of course, I know you can't see me, but just let me know if you can hear me. That would be great. All right. Okay. So now it's good. Okay. Good. 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 All right. Good stuff. What's up, KWT? What's going on? What is going on? Let me see here. Do I have this? Link, of course, is in the description. And let's go ahead and do this. All right, good. So you can hear me now. Good. Sound is good. Everything's good. Perfect. 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 All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Greatly appreciate you. Of course, my name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. And we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or memorization. We don't talk about abandoned baby candles and star link candles and morning moon star candles or nothing like that. It's all just support, resistance, trend lines. Super simple, super easy, and that's how we trade, and it works. You know, if I want to look smart, I could have 1,001 indicators. I just put these on just because I know people use them as the basics. I don't have, you know, the other indicators over here and just everything super crazy. Now, do I use them? Do I know how they work? Yep, sure do. You know, but at times I do feel like I want to look smart and I put a whole bunch of indicators on. But you don't need them. You don't need them to trade. So what we're looking at is we're looking at Bitcoin. I always love starting off with Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, we've been looking at it way over here. I really want it to come down. Man, do I want to come down? But only time will tell what happens. We had a double top. Once it crossed this level, then we were pretty sure it was going to come down to this level unless it regains this information or this level. Now, this is very important why I do not trade patterns. Because with patterns, you have this preconceived notion that because this is a double top, and let's go ahead and draw. We have a top, we have another top. We needed to break this trend line, this neckline. This is on a 4-hour time frame. It didn't do it. It did a wick. It did a wick. No candle body closes underneath it or even a retest of this level. This would have signified, okay, more than likely we're going to go down. Now notice my terminology. More than likely, sometimes, probability, higher chance of. It's because nobody knows what's going to happen. When you have that mindset, your trading gets way easier. Because now you don't have 68% chance it's supposed to do this, which is more than 50. So more than likely it's going to do X, Y, and Z. However, my thought process and how I teach and how I mentor is level per level. It did not close down here. Instead, it came up, found some resistance right in this area, came back down, did not get a bearish retest, and broke up. So right here, when I saw this and it's starting to come out, you know, I was right away thinking, okay, it might come back up to here, to this level. Now, when I posted this and and you can just verify that with the thumbnail, it was, you know, down this area. Now, my thought process is it may come up to this level where our previous resistance was, and then possibly come down to get possible support right at this level where it found support before, and then possibly come up. Now, because people see patterns, they're going to see this as an inverse head and shoulders. Once again, 60% chance breaks to the upside. When it breaks to the upside, more than likely come into this liquidity zone or resistance zone. And now it's just, okay, now we're trading this level. Is it going to break down? Even better, if it gets a bearish retest, more than likely we'll come back down to this area. Now, it's not going to go straight down. It's going to do down and up, down and up, down and up, hopefully coming down to this area. And then it's going to trade in between this range. Y'all see this range? We have resistance, we have support. It's going to trade into this range until it breaks out, finds some support, finds some support, and then bounces. Now it's looking good. Once it breaks above the previous high, more than likely it'll continue going up, creating higher highs and higher lows until it comes down. Level for level. That's how we trade. The most simplistic form. And we make money. Because we're not saying, oh, well, it's going to do this. It should. There's a possibility. With that being said, nobody knows what's going to happen until after the fact. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. And let's get rid of my drawings. I'm very excited about next week, guys. Very excited about next week. Next week, I've been having a lot of issues with my current computer. I call it the beast. I've been having a lot of issues with my current computer. And I should be getting new equipment maybe on Monday. Hopefully Tuesday by the latest. And when that happens, then I'm going to start pumping out some videos. You know, at least one video a day. Hopefully they're pretty short, 2 to maybe 4 minutes in reference to how to become a successful trader. And this is free. Everything I do is for free, guys. I love it. Now, granted, I am a member of a group. I'm a member of a lot of groups, but this one I really like. I keep on talking about it because I love it that much. They're giving me so much freedom in there. And I let them know, it's like, I give stuff out for free. You have to be okay with that. They're like, Joe, do your thing. You're good. I said, okay. And that's how I am with the other admins. That's how I am with the other groups that I'm an admin in. It's like, this is how I do it. And this, if I bring value to you, then great. And that's what I'm doing now. Now, after this stream, we will be doing a live screen share, but this is going to be for the VIP area. Yesterday was for the free group. Today is for the VIP. And then I do have it scheduled for Tuesday to do a live screen share where you get all of my information. I don't hide anything from you. I don't say, oh, I can't say this because that's going to be in the paid version. Now, one thing that I do is I only give you one target. But still, that target's good. 20, 30, 40%. So can you make money in the free section? Yep, you sure can. I posted a chart, matter of fact, yesterday in the free group. And I still have 2 more charts that I want to give you. They are so primed and ready. Hopefully, I need more of, and I'll show you 2. Nope, not that one. Where is it? Is it this one? Yes. So we'll come over here. Let's go to the profile. So I need more of these, and more of these, and more of these. More likes, retweets, and more comments. And when that happens, I start pumping out more charts, more of your charts. And I absolutely love the comments that I'm getting. And based on those comments for a chart, more than likely, if I like it, I'll post it in the group. Or I'll make a video about it. So very important. Engagement is pretty much, I guess, if you think about it, engagement would be your fee for the free group where you make money. So just kind of give you a heads up. KWT says, all good. Enjoying Saturday afternoon. Yes, Saturday it's a nice relaxing day. Man, we have a bunch of wind today. We have a bunch of wind. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right. Moving on. Okay, so this is my thought process on this. Right now it's on the 4-hour time frame. It's coming up to the 50 SMA. Could it get rejected? Sure. It could. It might come back down here, then find support, come back up here to the resistance. But the main level for the bullish would be once it breaks above, and let's just go ahead and show you the price. Once it breaks above roughly 52.8. Once it breaks above this level, now hopefully it'll continue going up. I really do want to see it come down though. Now, why do I want to see it come down? If it comes down, or rather when it comes down, this is going to cool off the markets. And then once it starts gaining support, because normally prior to the halving, we have a sell-off. And that would be the sell-off. This right here would be the sell-off. And then it'll start going sideways and then start coming up. Now, get ready, guys, because we are going to make so much money. It's crazy. That BS guy says, y'all been scanning the governance tokens? Which ones? I scan all tokens, and then I find out that they're governance. And then I find out that they're, layer 2s, or layer 1s, or AI. But I do have a screener, guys. Y'all are going to be super, super surprised. Now, this screener, I was trying to do it on the live stream yesterday for the group, but oh man, I didn't even log in. Good Lord. But I completely forgot one of my things. So, let me see here. Got my passwords right here. Okay. So let's go to TradeIntuition. And then my password is PASW. No, I'm playing, guys. Don't ever do your password as that. And don't do your password 1, 2, 3. I'm saying all these numbers like, wait, I'm punching in the wrong number. Yeah, don't ever do that, guys. So what I recommend is having a code book, maybe even 2. You can get them, it's like a diary book from Walmart, and $5, $7, or dollars, however you want to say it. And let me just make sure I'm punching this in right. I had it in the other day. Man, I should have had this ready for you. Okay, everything looks good there. Let's go to this. Okay, right now I'm typing and trying to think. Okay, hopefully y'all can't hear me typing. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, is that click, 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 click. Okay, so 1 second. All right, I'm in. Good stuff. And I'm just going to double check something. Perfect. So let me go ahead and put this in the chat. Now, of course, this is also in the description to everything. So let's bring this over here. This is my secret, guys. This is my secret. Now, if you put in my code, you get 10% off. This is my secret. This is how I find all these coins really, really fast. For instance, you said governance. I've never looked for governance, but let's go to the scanner or the screener. Once again, if you click on the link, you save 10% off of the monthly thing that you want to do. But I always recommend doing the annual, because that you save 40% and then you save 10% off of that. You save a lot of money, guys. So use my referral link. Okay. We are now in the screener section. Let's go to, let's see, Uni, Sushi, Mask. Oh, I love those. Those are dexes. I love those. What'd you call those? You call those, I forgot what you called them already. But yeah, no, Uni is big. Now, would I buy Uni right now? No, it already pumped. But Uni is on my list of coins to accumulate. Uni, Sushi. Does Mask have, is that MetaMask? Do they have a coin? And if they did, I don't know about that. So what we can do is categories. So this would be not sex, DEX. So we want a decentralized exchange token. And let's see. I think that's going to be it. So we have 1 inch. We have these other ones, Uni. But Uni, I mean, it already pumped. And this is the thing that I love about this screener. I can see the chart right away. So within, I don't know, 3, maybe 5 minutes, I can say, okay, I want this one. I'm going to look at this one, this one, this one. But let's go. I want to do some more filters. I want the price action above the 21 SMA. So it's showing me the strength. I'm not having to wait. If I can get one for under 100 million, man, that'd be great. So now it's narrowing it down to this. Okay. Let's see here. What else do I want? I normally get that one, the above the 21. I mean, there's other stuff you can put on here, but I don't do all those. Let's see. And then if it would, let's see if there's one of these that a DEX that is also labeled as an AI. Okay, so this one is. Because two things. One, when people start getting into DEXs, well then, okay, here are my two options. And because let's just say AI is pumping really hard right now, so now I have, I just doubled my chance of this one possibly doing a really nice move. Market cap on this one, only 4 million? That's crazy. Okay. So let us look at this. Now, of course, here on the daily, it is above the 200 as well. I really love this screener. This is crazy. It's above the 200. Again, the link is it's in the text, I guess, the chat box, and also in the description. So definitely check that out. This is by far the absolute best thing you can ever get. And not only that, 40% off an annual fee or the annual subscription, and an additional 10% off using my code. Here, I mean, it just has everything. It says it's DeFi, it's a DEX, it's a launchpad. So launchpad tokens, the category is going to be huge. Just like, not so much the actual, having to stake it, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 to put into the launchpad so you can get an allocation. Not so much on that, but just getting launchpad tokens. If you can load up on some launchpad tokens right now before people are talking about it, wait about 8 months, 16 months, whatever. Everybody's going to be going crazy for these launchpad tokens and launchpad pads, period. So this price, what was the price? Price is 6 cents. More than likely, when everybody starts hearing about it, it's going to be, I don't know, 18 cents. And then now, because they're pumping out coins that are making people money, this launchpad, now it's at 45 cents. And then $1.25. I mean, that's what happened to me last bull run, where I was hearing about these launchpads, and I'd had to buy a significant amount of coins in order to put it on their launchpad so I can get coins allocated to me. Allegedly, because you can't do that in the US. But with that being said, the coins that I bought, they were like $5 each. They were high already by the time I heard about it. And it was still early. I had it for, 4, maybe 6 months. And that $5 token, because now it's November 2021, went down to about $3. And then $2. And then I got my coins back. And then I sold them at like $1 something. I lost a lot of money. A lot of money. However, if you buy the tokens, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? If you buy the tokens down here before anybody's talking about it, especially we're at the beginning of the bull market, and this is a $4 million market cap, I'm telling you. Let's see. Statistics. What do we have in statistics? We got this information. You can use it if you like. We have some signals. We have bearish divergence. This was yesterday. And then some bullish divergence again yesterday. Anything coming up? No events. Okay. News is just general news for the whole market. Okay. Everything's here. Let's go to AI, Web3. You can go to their Twitter right away. You can go to just everything. Let's go to their coin market cap. So, of course, this opens up on another window. And hopefully my computer doesn't freeze. Once again, I've been having a lot of issues with this. And you can see 4.8 million. And then you can just verify all the information here. here are the areas you can get it. KuCoin, MEXC, Uniswap, of course. And you go and read more about the about stuff. You know, what is it? Okay, blah, blah, blah. Important stuff, information. Got it. Then you can go to their website. You could also go to their website from the app too. So here, I mean, you can go to their website. You can go to their Twitter. Website's down here. You can go everywhere. But let's come back over here. And let's go to their website. And then on their website, it has all this information. Oh, you know what? So right now, of course, I'm remembering all the stuff that I've already done. I finally, the staking that I had on VRA during this whole bear market, I've been just forgetting to compound it, which is dumb on my part. But yesterday, the day before, I got all those tokens and I'm staking those as well. And VRA is going to make me a very nice payout. Very nice. Due to the amount that I have right now. And I could have sold it at a 70 or 70, 80% loss in the bear market. Or since I didn't need it, I just held it. And it made me more tokens. I forgot how many it made me. 700? I don't even know. And so I just staked those, and I'm not going to mess with it for another year and a half. And then I'll sell them. I'm not going to listen to all these YouTubers and influencers saying, oh, extended bear market or extended bull market. And nah, I already fell for your tricks. And you come over here and you just see what it is. Blah, 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 etc., etc. Launchpad. Mark this down, guys. Launchpads are going to be big. They were big last time. They're going to be big this time. And we're going to chart this one. And this one may be one that we're going to look at as far as an entry. So just kind of give you a heads up. Let's see here. Ed, what's up, Ed? What's going on, buddy? So happy you're here, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and all that fun stuff. Y'all know the routine. Subscribe to the channel and everything else. Okay, so I believe, let me go ahead and just double check something real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and turn that back on. And of course, make sure to join me on Discord. Of course, we have a free area and a VIP area. And the free area, we talk crypto. We talk, you know, different things. There was a really great question. A really, really great question. Let me see if I still have this up. Okay. So this was a question posted in the free area. And it basically is, you know, how much do you sell? This is a great question. How much should I sell at each profit level? You know, because we always have a, you know, profit 1, 2, and 3, take profit. And here I lay it out. Now, of course, I did blur this out so you could, you know, join the free group, you know, hang out in the free area. You know, once again, free area and VIP. But here, this is not blurred out in the free section. I gave them all the information. You know, so definitely go in the Discord. And here, look, don't listen to influencers saying this will be an extended cycle. Don't do that. Here, I give you my information as far as what to do, when to sell everything, all your investments. You know, I'm still going to be doing short-term trades, swing trades, but this is so important, guys. I can't stress this enough, how important this information right here is. Close all mid and long-term trades the last quarter of the bull run. You know, sell a third in September, October, November. By December, you should have completely out. If not, you know, you can sell the remainder in December. Don't hold these coins. Now, you can be like me and not listen to the people who have already been through bull cycles and bear cycles the first time around. And no, I know, I'm a smart guy. I know what to do. And then you listen to all these YouTubers just, you know, oh, extended cycle, all this new money's coming in, this and that, blah, blah. And then you hold it and you hold it because it's going to come up. And you hold it, and you hold it, and you hold it. And then what happens? Comes down, You hold it because you don't want to lose that much money. So just to let you know. But this information is not blurred out in the group. So definitely come hang out with us. We have a good time. All right. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is PBR. Peanut butter and jelly. No. Is it? No. Let's go over here. And then let's go this. And let's do some PBR. PBR. USDT. MEXC. Perfect. Let's see if we can get into this coin. And then if you have a coin you want me to do, go ahead and let me know that as well. I think I saw some coins in here, but if you can just type it again, I would appreciate it. First thing I do, magnet tool. I'm going to post this one. I can tell you that right now. I'm going to post this one. So right now, being in the live screen share or the live stream for YouTube, this is going to be a coin that is going to potentially make you significant gains. Now, granted, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to buy or sell. You're a grown person. You know, you make your own decisions. So here we go. Here is, what's the price range? I'm always looking at the price range. So from here to here, okay, 27%. Not too shabby. From here to here, good Lord. You know what? I'm even going to go out on a limb and try to front run this. That's what I'm going to do. Let's go to this. So this is very high risk, what I'm about to do. Because if we wait from here to here, that's about 30%. If we wait from here to here, it's about 80%. That potential loss. Now, this right here is the optimal area to buy. This is the safest area. So I'll actually do a safe zone. Let's do that. Let's do a safe or safer zone. We'll do a safer zone. Let's do this like a gray, so we don't have anything. And then this, let's go ahead and save this one as well. So we'll put this one safer, and then I'll just put that in quotations too. Whoop, wrong one. Safer zone. And then must man, there's so, it's gonna be too long though. What'd you put safer zone? Thank you guys for the hearts. I appreciate that. I love seeing the floating hearts, the floating whatever. Like that hopefully will get more people in here, and that way they can see everything that I give. I give everything for free. I don't give you little bits and pieces and say, oh, join this or join that. Everything's for free. Same thing with the live screen shares that we host in the free section. That is free too. And I don't hold anything back. I give you all the information. Now, granted, if you ask me for a chart, I'll only give you the first target. You know, if it's a really great chart, I'll get more thought process in the VIP area. And I love doing videos with my thought process. So usually I make a video as well. And then, of course, update it, move up stop loss. You know, just everything that you would want in a trade. That's what I do in the VIP. So just safer area. Not go too crazy with all the description. Safer area for entry after bounce. I have to do it. Safer zone. Have stop loss under. Have tight stop loss. Have a tight stop loss under zone. This zone. I have to be very specific. And that's one thing you'll notice about me. I try my best not to leave anything to interpretation. So this is a safer zone, must, or it just says have a tight stop loss under this zone. And that's, of course, we'll draw it out too. So there's no confusion. Now, can we enter this trade? Let's see here. We're going to do A for this. Bring this up a little bit. Okay, so this is lower than this, so that's good. Let's see here. Yeah, we can look at Pepe. Definitely. So we'll look at Pepe after this one. And then if there's another coin that somebody else put up, let me know that as well, because I've already forgotten about it. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the daily. So for the daily, let's see. Do we have anything here? We have lower. It's lower, okay. We have it cooling off on the RSI, which is good. Okay. That's good. And let's see. Is there anything else thinking about? Now I am thinking about possible price action here, high, low, high, low, high, well, higher, and then now it's starting to switch. So it looks like this might be a good area. Now, because of that, I am looking at a very, very tight stop loss. This could be the start of a rounded bottom or a bow, possible cup and handle. Again, I don't trade these, but I see them. For my stop loss, let's see what my percentage would be. So if I were to enter right here, 10%. I mean, because you can keep on going lower and lower, and 20%, I can't do that. So I would have to do, oh man, we'll do 12%. We'll do 12% for a stop loss. Now, if we get stopped out, this trade is not invalid. This trade is still valid. It just needs to break above this level. And then we enter again. And then we might get stopped out again. Breaks up, we enter again. After it finds support, that's the best time. But still, breaks down, we get lows again. We just lost 36%. Joe, I don't like your style, dude. I really don't. And then you're like, you know what? I'm going to give this just a shot. Just one more time. Goes up, finds support this time. And then now it goes and goes. And boom, to the moon. Now you just made, I don't know, 400%. But you lost 3 times, 36%. And now you're at 400 something percent. The levels don't change. Thought process, we have to adjust our thought process depending on what we have. Not only that, but I mean, you could also do a trend line. So once it crosses, say you don't want to be so aggressive. Me personally, I would have to wait to above this. And this is all just safer. You could buy right now, which you would gain roughly 18%, 19%, instead of waiting for this area. You can gain that much percentage. For me, I would personally enter right now. So this is my entry. And we're going to do this blue, because blue is always my entry. And I'm only going to put 50%. I'm not going to go too crazy. And this is what I do in the screen shares. I let you know my entire thought process. And hopefully you all like this. If you enjoy this thought process, put a 1 in the chat. If you want me to do this much faster, just give you the targets and stop loss, put a 2 in the chat. Let me see. Let me see what y'all say. 50% entry at current price. And we do more of this in the screen share, the free version. I give you everything. Everything. So here, my thought process is we enter, maybe comes up here, comes back down, bounces, comes back up. We can enter again because it bounced. And then, let's say it gets rejected again, but this time it continues coming up. So these circles represent my entries. So right now is my entry. Make sure this is set to front. We're going to clone this. Then this would be my next entry once it breaks out of this trend line. And we're going to clone this again. And then my last entry would either be after the breakout of this or possibly the retest. So let's see, we did 50, 25, and 25. Make it easy. No, you know what? Let me do 25%. Because this is a higher risk coin just because of the market cap. And that's why I look at the market cap. So we'll do that, and then we'll do this. Clone. There we go. So once again, we were entering now because we're at the bottom. You know, hopefully we don't get another one of these happening. And if we do, it's okay. We get stopped out, it's fine. It's part of the game. I'm willing to lose 13% so I can gain a whole bunch. And with this being a low market cap coin, it's really good percentages. So look right here, like we're already up. But let's say we get to this first one right here. We're at 42%. I'll take that. I will take that. Now, because it's a low market cap coin, and I go over all this in very great detail when it comes to low market cap coins. And these are in the videos in the VIP section. But basically, and it's like a 2-minute video. Like I give you everything that you need to know quick. No fluff, no whatever. It's not on YouTube to where I'm making them 15 minutes long and only giving you 2 minutes worth of content just so I can get more watch time hours and get paid more from YouTube. These videos, 2 minutes, 4 minutes. I think the longest one is like 5 minutes and 14 seconds or something like that. Very straight to the point, no fluff, give you exactly what you need to know for that particular subject. And then you go to the next one. I get you up to speed very, very fast. That's in the VIP. Now, is everything available to where you can get all this for free? Yep. How? Watch my live streams. Join the live streams. And you get all this stuff for free. And the benefit for the VIP is you get it all within, I don't know, what, 2 hours? Versus, 2 months, 2 weeks. So here are targets. Target 1. I like doing these two. 9205. 9205. And this one is going to be a target. Next one is 10799. And 799. Last one is 1186 something. 1162. Perfect. And then my stop loss is 5648. 56. Did I do that right? 5648. Okay. And we turn this one to red. This is our stop loss. And then not only that, I'm really key on making my charts look pretty. I think that's super, super important because they're very easy to understand. And this is why people love my charts. For this simple reason right here. And then what I always do is I actually need to put this on my stream deck so I don't. So this is going to be circles, no, white circles, white circle S equals entry ideas. And then we'll just put circles. Okay. So I love the stream deck. because that's why I'm able to type so fast. So I just go like this, I hit a button, boom, bingo bango. And then I make this larger. Now, let me know, is this a very easy chart to understand? Here, we have this resistance zone. You know what, I'm actually going to change. Oh, and I never saved it either. Did I save this? Save for, no, I didn't. Save as, save for zone. Okay. I'm just going to put this as resistance, because I don't want people. And then I will put this in front. Okay. Let's see here. That BS guy says, how long has everyone been trading? I started in late 2018, was one of the first people in CBC's group. Sounds like a pretty cool group. The name anyway, CBC's. Used to do weekly screen shares Saturday at 10:30 at night. What? That's crazy late. Nobody else here around back then? That group, I was in it, of course. You know, y'all know that. But I believe I got it in 2019, and I never knew about the late ones. I just knew about the ones on Sunday. Let's see here. The next one says, are you pulling your targets from FIP extension or Weber treatments? My targets? No, my targets are based off of what I see to the left. So that's a great question. And it's crypto time. It's saying that. So as a reminder, guys, if you haven't already, smash the like. I give all this for free. I have everything I give is for free. The portion of the Discord, there's a portion in there, free. I answer all the questions like I would if you were in the VIP. Everything's free. Show your love and support. Make sure to smash the like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that notification bell's on. And if you could, start crushing those floating hearts and hundreds. So it's crypto time says, are you pulling your targets? No. So what I do is I always look to the left. Candle body closes and candle wicks. All that tells me those are areas of resistance since the price action is below it. So what I'm doing is I'm going underneath those areas. Once again, that part of information, I could have said, well, I can show you how to trade, but you know, you have to pay for one-on-one mentor and it's $100 an hour. No, I give you everything for free. Period. Here, look, always look at my crosshairs. Like this stuff right here that I did, this is not random. All this is strategic. This is based off of thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of backtesting. I'm going to show you something. Let's go here. This, and we'll change this to a purple. Here, you can see it's coming right up to this resistance level. Here, I'm going to do Alt H. You can see it's underneath these wicks. Here, you can see it's underneath these wicks. Here, you can see it's underneath these wicks. Everything that I do is strategic. This point right here, this point, it's underneath these kind of bodies and wicks. See here, this point right here would be, as the price is coming down, hopefully it's going to find support off of these top of the candle bodies, which would be right here. Everything that I do is very strategic. I make it super, super simple. Oops, wrong one. No, that's the right one. I make it super, super simple on how to trade. I mean, how easy is that? Put a number 4 in the chat if this is probably the easiest way of trading you have ever heard of. And it works. I haven't even looked at the all this other junk down here. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Who cares? Oh well. I'm willing to lose 13% to get 42%. Now, granted, this is higher risk. As I mentioned before, this is much higher risk. Now, if you were to enter here, this is so much safer because you're entering above this line. You're entering above this line. So just to let you know, guys, this is the way I trade. Very simple, super basic, and it is very, very successful. And then we just rinse and repeat. And let's say you missed this. Who cares? There's another trade. Will you lose trades? Yep, you sure will. Losing's part of the game. Losing is what we don't want to do, but it happens. We don't like the feeling, but it happens. KWT says, I started not long after the COVID crash. After my business got, oh man, that sucks. Got shut down and needed to find something to do and found crypto. Good for you, man. I'm happy you're here. I am so happy you're here. I see TJ. TJ says, I started right around at the end of the last bull run. Learned a lot of lessons. Yes. And that's the big thing. So TJ just said something that's super, super important. We have to learn from our mistakes. And man, did I make a lot of mistakes last time. However, I was warned. Pretty much like, Joe, don't touch the stove because it's hot. You mean that stove? Joe, don't touch the stove because it's hot. That one right there with the red burners or the flame coming out? Joe, don't touch the stove because it's hot. You mean this? Hot. I had to touch it for myself. Sure enough, same thing with crypto. Same thing with crypto. Don't do X, Y, and Z. I did X, Y, and Z and ABC. And sure enough, won't do it again. I'll tell you what I'll definitely not do. I won't be buying GPUs in the top of the bull market. That's one thing I won't be doing. Good Lord, that was like the dumbest thing. So if you have been scammed before, put a 2 in the chat. If you have been scammed before, put a 2 in the chat. If you have not been scammed before, put a 3 in the chat. If you have been, put a 2. If you haven't been, put a 3. And this could be any kind of scam. Somebody promising you something for crypto and you paid them and they didn't deliver. Whether it was services or an actual, device or anything. 2 for yes, 3 for no. I have. Top of the, TJ is lucky. TJ is lucky. At the top of the bull run, I'm buying GPUs like an idiot. And because I want to mine, because I see all these people making all this money mining. And there was a guy who reached out to me. He was on my YouTube channel. He reached out to me. We're talking to him on Telegram. We did voice messages and everything. He was taking videos of all of his, GPUs and his mining and everything. And sure enough, I gave him money. And he says, Joe, I have more. I have way more. You want more? I was like, yep, I sure do. And he's like, okay, Joe, I'll give you these for this price. I said, dude, that's great. All right, I'll send them out to you next week. Cool, man. Next week, he tells me that his buddy, the computer shop that he worked for or whatever, is going to get more in. And if I wanted those. Now, granted, I'm making crap load of money. For one, I know how to trade. And two, things are just popping. Like I'm making some big money. And I said, sure, man. So I sent him more money. Nothing. I didn't get one thing. And then like 2 weeks later, because he was kind of far from me. So 2 weeks later, I message him, doesn't respond. And I told him too, I said, listen, man, I trust you. I'm just gonna send it, this and that, blah, blah. Because he was like, dude, I can send like half of them. And then once you receive it, you can send me the other half. I was like, no, man, like I trust you. Like, here's all the money. That was a mistake. I mean, he would have got me for half of it too, but that would have built my trust in him to send half, So anyway, long story short, even though I made it super long, I got bamboozled. Let's see. Manuel says, my story did extremely well in your previous group. Didn't listen to anyone about self-storage and had everything in Voyager and Celsius. When you can take profits, move them off exchanges. Good point. That is something that everybody should write down. When you're in profits, take them off exchanges. Man, I could not have said that better myself. That is really, really good. Yeah, all these nodes, I bought into that too. Where for that one, I wouldn't really say it was like, a scam, but it's part of the game. And I bought some nodes. I forgot what nodes. um, Strong. Do y'all remember that one? I don't even know if they're still around. I bought that one and put a bunch of money into it. And of course, these are already pumped and everything. I'm all dumb. They've already pumped. And sure enough, I lost money big time. I lost a lot of money. I had made so much money that it really didn't even matter. I was like, oh, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. But yeah. And there's been a few that I've been rugged on, but I was already taking my money out because I saw it starting to come down, and I was paying attention to them. Strong challenged the contracts. Strong changed the contracts and made them worthless. Oh, wow. Wow. And that's another thing, too. So, very important. One thing that it's really difficult to do, like I have tokens that I don't even know if they're valuable anymore because the stuff changes and they change their contracts and they change the whatever. And so now you have to, swap them like a 1-for-1 swap. As like, man, I don't want to do that. I just want to buy a coin, hold it, whatever. There's one coin I bought long, long time ago. I keep on forgetting the name until it pops up. But I bought it on a random exchange because that was the only exchange that had it at the time. And I need to look at my book because I bought a little bit of money of it. I need to look in one of my books to see if I could find what exchange it's on. But I don't even know if they did a 1-to-1. But yeah, I mean, everybody's got stories, and I won't bore you with mine anymore. Okay, so this is my thought process on this one. 25% at current price, 25, 25, 25, 25, and 100%. Here are my targets. Here's my stop loss. As it breaks above this level, this is when we move it up. Not only that, what I love to do is I love to, PRB, what I love to do is do all this stuff. So let me go ahead and do this. And then let's come back over here. I love doing this. I love putting extra info on my charts. And then I love seeing this stuff, all this stuff. So we'll just do this. Not so much the platforms, but this is important to me. And then the industries is important to me. And this is how I usually do my charts. So when you look at my chart, you see that everything's there. Like you should have zero questions about this chart. So on this chart, you know that, granted it is small. So let me bring this up a little bit. And then let me move this over here. So I have more room. Put this down here. Up here, make sure this is to the front. This over here, kind of get the size a little bit the same. And then here, we can put this over here. There we go. Try to make it look nice and neat. Make sure that's to the front. So right away, you know, here's the ticker, here's the market cap, here is certain things. You know, here right away you can see DEX, DeFi, Launchpad, Web3, AI, of course, yield farming. But all these right here, this tells me good setup. This right here tells me, you know, another thing. You know, you can either enter here or here. Those are my things. We didn't see any divergence. The ones we looked at, everything's set. Bingo, bango. Bingo and a bango. Now, PRB. Let's see here. I have so many things open. So let's go to this. And let's go to Twitter. And then we're going to tweet to them. Where's their name? Oh, here's their name. Copy. Okay. We're going to tweet to them. Let's see this. Oh, and I need to put this too. This is a chart from today's live stream. Info on chart. Info on chart. Because I was going to post everything again. It's like, that's going to be horrible. So let's come over here. Let's go to copy the link. Everything looks good. Come back over here. Hit that one. Nope. This one. Oh, and then one thing I also like to do is I like to not only do that, but I like to copy the image. Because sometimes the image doesn't pop up. And then now I do this. And then I also have to do PRB. That way I can search for it later. PRB, PRB. And then also this one, PRB. Okay, looks good. This is a chart from today's live stream. And then let me go ahead and, should I do that too? I'll put that. I'll put the link. See if it comes up. My link's not coming up unless, oh, there it is. Copy. Okay. Bingo bango. Post. Yeah, everybody's talking about this, guys. Everybody's talking about this as far as the karate club or karate coin or whatever it's called. You know, you got Alt Daily there. Of course, Ben was there. Man, Ben, he, like, a lot of them, they didn't if I was paying for it, I'd be disappointed. But when I saw Ben was like I'm gonna hurt somebody, you know. So it was a good show. I watched it. It was cool. All right, moving on. All right, so we got about 2 more minutes. Now, of course, since we don't have, we got Joe in the house. What's up, Joe? What's up, me? What's going on, me? So what we're going to do is we're going to do rapid fires on the, I think we only have one coin. Yeah, Ben, he was going hard. He was going really hard. So yeah. So I think we just have one coin on here. Yeah, big time. Yeah, you could tell he really, really trained. Right now I'm trying to find that chart again. Let's see. What was the coin? Sorry, guys. Let me know the coin again so I'm not wasting y'all's time. Yeah, I know. I know. I know me. I know me. So let's see here. What was that coin again? So we can get that one squared away. We're going to do rapid fire on that one. And after that, I have to go to the VIP section where we're going to keep it going. Keep it going. So let me know the name of the chart that we're supposed to do. It was already posted. Already posted. Of course, thank you guys for all the likes. I greatly appreciate it. Still looking for that. Still looking for that. See, any chance of you and Chris? Ha ha ha. That would be really, really funny. That would be really funny. I mean, can you just imagine? Oh yeah, Pepe. Can you just imagine it? We go into the ring. I'm all super nice, calm, cool, collective. You know, they're doing the pre-interview thing and whatever. And I'll get on the mic and be like, yeah, you know, just kind of let you know, guys, you know, this was my best friend. He always told me he was my best friend. I really put my whole life, you know, in his hands, and he screwed me over. And now I'm here to get my revenge. Calm, cool, collective. Then we get into the ring. I put in my mouthpiece. I start doing my hands to where it gets my blood in my hands. You know what I'm talking about? And then you just see my eyes change. It's like, Chris, you took my house. And I started just going. Oh, man. The last thing he's going to hear is, you took my house. No, boom, boom, boom. And then you're going to hear the, woo, 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 the ambulance, and, sir, blah, blah, hook up the IV, and blah, blah. You're going to hear that's the last things he's going to be hearing. And then, of course, you know, he's like, sir, you've been in a 6-month coma. And then he's going to talk to the doctor finally. Well, no, because he whispers, I haven't really been in a coma. I've just been pretending because, well, people were feeling sorry for me and I received all these flowers. So I was just pretending to be asleep. And yes, I did have accidents on myself on purpose. But it's time for me to get everything squared away because now the IT guys have finally fixed everything. And I'm no longer hacked. Dum, dum, dum. Yeah, that'd be so funny. That would be so funny. You took my house. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna toast to that tonight. I'm gonna have people say that. Where I'm gonna go at. I'm gonna have people say that. You took my house. That's gonna be funny. And then I'm gonna record it, and I'm going to, of course, not show their faces, but I'll probably like show a wall or something, and then I'm gonna have that. That's gonna be so funny. Oh man. All right, moving on. Yeah, so it's good stuff. Good stuff. I love you guys. You guys are cool. You guys are awesome. And here, I don't need to be professional. Don't need it. People tell me all the time, Joe, be professional. Why? I mean, it'd be different if I was selling you something, but no, this is me. Like me for who I am or don't. It's okay. Here we go. Pepe. Do I like it? Yep, sure do. Why? Because we have a low, we have a higher low. We have our neckline right here. Just needs to break this neckline and we're in the money. Big time. Oh wait, I can't be doing a bunch of training right now because I have to go to the VIP section. So this is what we're looking at. Here's another one of our levels. If you are in the VIP, and of course the link is in the description, but if you are in the VIP, definitely go there right after this. And usually give me about 5-10 minutes to get the, get everything set up and, get some water and everything. But we will go in there and we'll go more over coins, your personal coins too. Joe, I'm in this trade. This is what's happening. I entered here. Here's my stop loss. What are your thoughts? Ooh, you might want to just get rid of it. Or it doesn't look too bad. Hopefully we find a bounce here. If it does, then if I were you, I'd add more here. And I would adjust the stop loss to this. So the VIP and also the free one, don't get that, confused. The VIP and the free one, it's like having a one-on-one mentor. So if you can, join the group. If you can, get that VIP, then do it. And of course, for the VIP, they do have a lifetime membership, basically for the cost of a 1-year membership. They have a lifetime because they know you're going to be with the group for at least 2 years because that's the bull market. So I strongly recommend doing that lifetime. But if you can't afford it, no problem. I will still be your one-on-one mentor in the free section. The next free one is Tuesday. I'm going to be spending a lot of time in the VIP one. For what's today? Saturday? Yeah, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I like this. I like it a lot. Now, this, of course, is a very strong liquidity zone, resistance zone, whatever you want to call it. I just call it resistance. I don't try to get fancy with it. Let's go here. So that's to there, and then to there. Make this one red. So if you can, what I would do is try your best to not enter here, but depending on, man, I hate this. I can't even do a rapid fire. Okay, rapid fire time. So what I would do, I would actually enter. Oh man, look at this. I just want to show you. Like if we were to, okay. So if my computer dies on me, it resets. So I'm okay with missing out on 44%. I'm okay with that. Now, if you wanted to, it's a higher risk. You could enter right now. But I'm willing to risk 44% so that it can come up here. And then if it does come down, hopefully we get support here. This is really strong support. So I would be more than willing to enter once it breaks this level. Possible comes down, gets support, enter again once it breaks the level, gets a bullish retest or a support bounce, add again, and then now you're set. That is kind of a rapid fire, even though I went into a lot of detail. I really like this. And people see this as a bull flag on the daily. It broke out previously, but came right back in, and now it's breaking out again. This is very bullish. Not only that, but it broke out of this trend line. This Pepe right now is very, very bullish. So, yeah, I really do like that one. Manuel says, I'm cracking them up. That's funny. Referring to the you took my house. Doom, 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 doom. That's funny. Let's see. Joe Me says, Dan is not in yet, the VIP. What's up? Yeah, definitely send the that person the email. I mean the DM. Definitely send him a DM. And today's Saturday. He might be spending some time with his family. But I'll also message him. I'll let him know. But just to let you know. But this one looks really good. Let's see. KWT says XTZ looks like it's making moves. We'll look at that one really fast. Oh no, wait, nope. I gotta go. I gotta start that other group already, or the thing. But this one, I really like it. If you wanted to, you could enter right now. Me personally, I would enter right now, just because it looks very bullish. We have a low, we have a higher low, we have this trend line that it broke out of, this falling channel. Not only that, but it created a bull flag, broke out of the bull flag, came right back in, and now it broke out again from the bull flag. Again, all this on the daily. This is all on the daily. Now, we do have bearish divergence. Not sure if y'all saw that. We do have this high and this high. This is way lower than this one. Here, we have this high and this high, but this is much higher than this. So this is telling me that the price should come down, and it did. It started coming down, and then it's coming back up. So with divergence, this is a very key lesson. With divergence, this is saying that it can come down 0.5% or 55%. Nobody knows until it finds support. So that's why I'm always on support and resistance trend lines. I trade based off of that. So I hope you got value for today. Do me a quick favor. As I'm doing my outro, I want to see the hearts and the hundreds get annihilated. Just simply annihilated. I'm going to start doing my outro. Of course, I will be doing the VIP section in the Discord. Annihilate these guys. Annihilate them. And then, of course, definitely, if you haven't already, smashed a like. If you're brand new to the channel, I do this, guys. I show you every single little thing that I do. Everything that I know. I don't hold anything back. I don't make you join something so that you can get the rest of the story. Y'all know about that guy? And the rest of the story, I don't do that. I give you all of my knowledge. I'm not one of those that try to, milk all the money out of you. No, watch me, follow me, see what I do, make that money. And then if you want, you can join the group so you make more money. So just give you a heads up. All right, so smash those hearts, annihilate them, guys. And of course, Manuel says, I jumped in at 1040. Oh, nice, 3x, just writing it out. There you go, man. There you go. Hearing your analysis makes me confident in my entry. Good, perfect, love it. Dave P says, thank you, awesome, man. Sam Webb, what's up, Sam? Glad you're here, man, glad you're here. Yeah, like I said, if you haven't already, smash that like, do the subscribe, notification bell. We do this. I show you all my stuff for free. Yeah, nobody does this. Not for free. So just kind of give you a heads up. All right, so now it's time for the outro. I want to see those hearts annihilated. Here we go, guys. 3 and a 2 and a 1. This is going to be really short, even though y'all may have already seen it. Oh, no, there's no audio. That's fine. We will go to the ending. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. I will see you in the VIP. And of course, if you're not in the VIP, definitely check the link in the description and also the pin message. It shows you how to get into the Discord. The Discord's where it's at. I gave you some valuable information in the Discord in reference to the amount of buying and selling in reference to short-term trades, long-term trades, and also just investments. Like, all these questions are needed. And these are not copy and paste answers from a website. These are true answers from an experienced trader. Nobody does this. Everybody gives you cookie cutter answers. And this is given in the free group. So definitely check it out. And the link is in the description. You have the option for the free or the VIP. Either way, you're going to make money. Hands down. That's all I got, guys. I got to go to the VIP section. And we'll see you real soon. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll be doing another live stream. And let me know what chart you're looking at. And let's all make money. So let's do it, guys. This is going to be a crazy bull run. Crazy bull run. And I hope you're ready, because I am. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next video. My name is Joe, also known as TradingIntuition. And you know what we do. Let's make this money.